Hi, Travel Kid here. Welcome to my Q&A session. You might remember a few weeks back, I told you to submit your questions and I'd submit my answers. And today is that day. So, let's get ready for the first question. The first question is, how did I become Travel Kid? I love exploring new places, learning new things, meeting new people, and I just wanted to share my adventures with my friends. And then, poof, Travel Kid was made. Okay, it wasn't that easy. I had to get my parents' permission and do a whole bunch of research of how to make a YouTube channel. Finally, me and my family were going on a trip to Boston. I decided to give filming a shot. That's when I made my first video, the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museums. You can find that video in this video's description. Question number 2. How much does it cost to have your channel? I spent exactly $0. All I used was my mom's very outdated iPhone, plus a free editing program. That's it! Question number 3. What's your favorite trip? My favorite trip is always the next one. Question number 4. What do you do when you're not traveling or making videos? I do a lot of stuff when I'm not traveling. I read books, watch movies, play sports, play games, and I'm really into acting. I also like spending time with friends and family. Question number 5. How many states have you visited? I visited 21 states, plus Washington, D.C., which is my favorite city. Question number 6. Is there a country outside the U.S. you'd like to visit? My answer is all of them. I want to meet new people and see new places. Question number 7. What are some of your favorite books that you've read? I always like a good story, especially adventures. Some of my favorite series are Spies, 39 Clues, Percy Jackson, and Wings of Fire. You can check some of my favorite titles in the description. And write in the comments and tell me if there's any books I should read. Question number 8. How do you miss so much school to travel? The answer is, I don't. I'm homeschooled. I learn a whole bunch of stuff like literature, art, social studies. The world is my classroom. Question number 9. What's been your favorite ice cream that you've had on your travels? Okay, here's a secret. I always have ice cream when I'm traveling. One of my favorite memories was touring the Ben & Jerry's factory to see how their ice cream was made. It was delicious. You can find that video in the description. Question number 10. What do you want your viewers to know about you? I want my viewers to know that I'm an 11-year-old kid. I want them to know that I had a dream to become a small content creator, and look around, I'm a YouTuber. I want you to know that if you have a dream, you can work hard and achieve it too. I appreciate your encouragement and your support. There would be no Travel Kid without travel viewers. Thank you. Now that's a wrap for Travel Kid's first Q&A session. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It helps new people see my channel. Well, thanks for watching. Bye!